FuelSync gas saver review. Does it actually save gas? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're thinking about buying FuelSync to cut fuel costs, this will give you a clear answer fast so you know what to expect. FuelSync is a small plug-in device made to connect to a car's port under the dashboard. It claims to improve how the engine uses fuel by adjusting the system automatically. The idea is simple. Plug it in, drive normally, and let it work in the background. Setup is very easy. The device is plugged into the car and then the car is driven like usual. There are no buttons, screens, or settings. It is made to learn how the engine runs over time without extra steps. The big question is whether it really saves gas. Results are mixed. Some drivers notice very small improvements after using it for a while, especially if they already drive smoothly. Others notice no real change at all. That's because modern cars already manage fuel very well on their own, so there's not much left for a device like this to improve. Driving style still matters far more than any plug-in tool. Smooth starts, steady speed, gentle braking, and proper tire pressure save more gas than any small device. If someone drives aggressively, no gadget can cancel that out. Another thing to keep in mind is expectations. Claims of big fuel savings are unrealistic. The best possible result is usually a small change, not a dramatic drop in gas costs. Anyone expecting huge savings will likely be disappointed. There are also limits to what FuelSync can do. It cannot fix engine problems, wear parts, or poor maintenance. If a car is not in good shape, no plug-in device can solve that. Regular oil changes, clean filters, and good tires make a much bigger difference. So who might like FuelSync? It fits people who enjoy trying simple tools and are curious to see if small changes happen. It does not fit people who want guaranteed results or major savings. Is it legit or just hype? It is not completely fake. It does plug in and run. But it is also not a miracle product. At best, it may help a little for some drivers. For many others, it will not change much at all. The most reliable way to save gas is still basic habits. Drive calmly, keep tires filled, avoid carrying extra weight, and take care of the car. A device like FuelSync can only help at the edges, not replace good driving and good maintenance. So does FuelSync actually save gas? For some people, maybe a little. For many, not enough to notice. It is not magic and it is not a shortcut to big savings. If the goal is to try something simple with very low effort and realistic expectations, FuelSync can be tested. Just don't expect it to do what only good driving and good car care can really achieve.